Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video showing you some cool new parts we got for Project Orange Crush. With the 6.4 HEMI swap, we needed to upgrade our clutch and flywheel in the car. We talked to Matt at American Powertrain, and they now carry Centerforce clutches, and their new DYAD DS clutch would be a perfect fit for the car. The clutch holds anywhere from 5 to 1,300 foot-pounds of torque, which is plenty for the stock 6.4 that's going in there right now, and gives us plenty of room to upgrade. Also, the clutch, it's a dual disc setup, but you still get a really good pedal feel. The engagement's really smooth, and it's quite operation. There's not, you think of a dual disc clutch and you're probably thinking it's, a super racy clutch and it's going to be hard to drive on the street, and it's, going to be loud and it's going to be, hard to set up. Centerforce has taken all of that out of it. I actually haven't opened the box yet. I wanted to show you guys how exactly it came in the packaging, and just kind of, it's kind of a shame it's got to go behind the bell housing, but let's take a look. Okay, let's open this up. So, right from the get-go, you see here that Centerforce sends a spec sheet with every clutch that's made. They said it takes around 8 hours to machine one of these clutches, and this shows you all the specs specific for this clutch. This one actually went 1,320 foot-pounds of torque. A bunch of other numbers here that we're still not even sure about, but we'll get into that later. Here is a packet of all the fun stuff. So we got a warranty card. Need to fill that out. A few stickers. Who doesn't like stickers? Some more info on their warranty and what's covered. Instructions for installing the DYAD DS clutch, and we will read over all of that in the future. Nice little brochure comparing some of their other clutches, and some more stickers. I did notice they do send you flywheel bolts. All the hardware is ARP, which is nice. They're using quality parts, and the clutch comes pre-assembled, so that way you know how it goes together. And actually, all these are not even really that tight. Most of them are finger tight. Again, ARP hardware. It's kind of nice. This one's studded. You don't have to try and fish the bolts through it. Here. Now you can't see on that side, but every clutch is precision balanced, and they actually mark on the clutch and the flywheel to line them both up. So every time that if this were to come apart later down the road, if I had an issue or I had to take it apart, let's see if I can get this turned. You can realign it, and it's still in balance. So right here, you can see that everything was marked to be right in line. Okay. So, take the cover off. Should. There we go. Some quality. And there's the first disc. Again, you'll see the alignment points. positioned. And that is some pretty machining. Kind of sad it's all going to be covered up by a bell housing. This is your intermediate plate. I forget what they call that. But your floating, it's like a floating pressure disc, some sort. Again, had your alignment point, so when I go to put this back together, I can easily, I know exactly how it needs to go back. And then our second disc. That is, wow. Hold some power. And then flywheel. And they, as you can see, they take out quite a bit of weight. It's still awfully heavy. It's not, aluminum flywheel or anything of that sort, but it is a little lighter than your standard stock flywheel. And best thing about it, everything's made right here in the USA. So yeah, that didn't sound good. Some spacers. Apparently they're spacers. So, yeah, there you have it. The big unboxing of the Centerforce DYAD DS clutch for Project Orange Crush. Again, want to give a big thank you to Matt at American Powertrain and Will, Mr. Clutch at Centerforce. This thing is awesome. We can't wait to get in the car and get out on track and put it through the test. We know it'll withstand it, and it's going to be perfect. We'll get into a lot more of the nitty-gritty and some of the details in a future article. Right now, I need to get back to work. Some car still does not have a motor in it, so this should allow us to get the training and motor boarded up and down the car here pretty soon. We'll keep you guys updated, and we'll see you again.